Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen Ika. This channel is all about getting creative. Today, I'm going to show you how I'm going to paint this beautiful glass jars into beautiful storage for my cotton ball and my earbuds. So I'm going to use the small one for the earbuds and I'm going to use the large one for the cotton balls. So guys, let's get into this. Guys, today I'm like so pumped because what we're gonna make is like so amazing. It's gonna turn out really beautiful because what I have envisioned in my mind is really pretty. And so I wanna just jump right into it. You're gonna need a glass jar. So this glass jar, as cute and beautiful as it looks, I got it from my pasta sauce. I had an amazing dinner. I had pasta and it had cheese. It was amazing. Come on, all my pasta lovers, come on, comment down below because I love pasta. And yeah, this was from my pasta sauce. So what I did is take off the label. So if you want to take off the label easily, you can soak the jar in warm water. And so I took off the label and then I washed it. And yeah, I just got it clean. And I know it has a bit of fingerprints at the moment, but we're going to clean it just before we do anything to it. Second thing you're gonna need is accessories to pimp your jar. So I'm gonna be using this pearls. This is like a packet of pearls, and they're like loose. They're like that, like one by one. You can use whatever accessories you want, but I'm gonna be using these pearls. And these pearls, I got them for like $3.50 at Galleria, but I'm sure you can get them cheaper in town. I just didn't have the time to go to town. But yeah. So I got them at $3.50 in Galleria. You can check in town. I'm sure you will miss them in Riverwood. The last and final thing we're going to be using is a kind of spray paint. And yeah, this doesn't have enough noise, but yeah, we're going to be using a kind of spray paint. And I got this really nice paint that's called Spray Matte. It's a South African brand. I got it from Builders, and I love Builders because I can always get like quality products. And so yeah, so I'm using this spray matte, yeah, and I'm gonna be using my hot glue gun. First thing we're going to do is take this glass jar and, okay, of course, take off the labeling. After taking off the labeling, we're gonna wash it and wipe it clean. And then we're gonna take this pouch and we're gonna start decorating. So my glue gun is already getting hot. It's been dripping. I need to start. I'm done decorating the first tin, and now I'm gonna go on to this tiny tin that I intend to use for my earbud. So there are the two. How they currently look. And I I don't think I want to add any more pearls to the piece. So the next step will be to take your kind of spray paint, and now we're gonna spray these two jars. For me, I'm gonna be doing them gold, and yeah, so I got my spray mate, and that's very quality spray paint. It's like really high coverage, and I like it. So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna spray paint this at night, and I'm not too sure if the shots for the spray paint will be too clear. However, I'm gonna show you that and the end product, so stay tuned.